What do you think, Al? Are we testing this out? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this Backseat Extender for dogs. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Before you put this in your car, you gotta take these plates and stick them in all these pockets, and that's gonna make it more stable. Just like that. Ta-da! Okay, we're gonna install this. It's pretty easy. You can see it's got like little handles there. You shove them down in between your seats, and then it has the straps. They go
just unhook.
Yep, they go up and around the top of your headrests on your back seats. Same on this side. These go up and go around. And then this is all nice and flat for your dogs. And then it does have these sides as well, which are for protecting your doors. So we'll get all this put together and then we'll let the dogs give it a try. So they have the sides, which also have straps, which you can kind of just put up there. And then that is going to protect your doors as well. If you don't want to put them up, you can kind of fold them down like this as well. You're going to want to have this folded down when you load your dogs anyway. And then there's a zipper on the side to keep it nice and stable. This looks pretty nice. Let's go get a dog and put her inside. All right, jump in, Elle. She's like, woo! What do you think of that? Yeah, you can stand there and you can look over the tops. What do you think? She's like, this is not so bad. I could ride in here. This is pretty good. So it does have a lot of pockets. I love that it has the mesh here because I have vents right here, so it's not going to block any of the air. We can use the pockets to put their stuff in. Yeah, what do you think? Let's see if we can get you to lay down. There you go. You fit in there really well. I definitely think all three dogs could fit in the back seat if we needed to put them back here. What do you think? She's like, I like this. So it's made out of like almost like a pleather. I was worried it was going to be a little bit slippery, but it actually doesn't seem to be slippery for her. It has way more grip than I thought. It's almost rubber feeling. What do you think, ma'am? Think you can go for a car ride with this? I think so. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to give your dogs a little bit more space in the back seat, also block them from getting up front and not fall down into those little holes in the front of your rear seats, this is a great solution. You think so, Elle? She's like, yeah, I'm ready. Let's rock and roll.